Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our presentation on Rotor Yarn. Our group members are me, Kazi Shahan Rahman, Aslam Mani, and Muhammad Ali. Moving to the next slide, please. Start our presentation with a basic question. What is Rotor Yarn? Basically, rotor yarn, also known as rotor span yarn, is a type of yarn produced using a specific spinning technique called rotor spinning. Moving to the next slide. Okay, now I will discuss about the principle of rotor spinning. In the rotor spinning system, airborne fibers are deposited continuously upon the external or more usually the internal peripheral surface of a rapidly rotating drum, so as to form a ring of fibers, which is then peeled off and withdrawn along the axis of rotation of the drum. Thus, twist is imparted and a yarn is formed. Next slide, please. Task of the rotor spinning machine. The rotor spinning machine is, unlike any other machine, in the short staple spinning wheel in the range of tasks. It has to perform all the basic operations, such as opening almost to individual fibers, cleaning, homogenizing through back doubling, combing, ordering, improving evenness through back doubling, imparting strength by twisting and wind. Our next topic of this presentation will be presented by Aslamani. Now I request to Aslamani to continue his part.
Thank you, Kazi Shahan Rahman. This is Aslam Munir. I'm from Outsourcing Department. My ID is 20. Now I am discuss about the principle of operation in rotor yarn. At first, sliver feed. A card of drawn from sliver is feed through a sliver guide to a feed roller and feed table and which forward to a rapidly rotating opening roller. Sliver opening. The rotating teeth of the opening roller forms out the individual fiber from the sliver clamp and opening roller, the fiber are fed to the fiber channel. Fiber transport to the rotor. Centrifugal forces and vacuum in the rotor housing cause the fiber to descend at certain point from the opening roller and to move via the fiber channel to the inside wall of the rotor. Fiber collection in the rotor. The centrifugal forces in the rapidly rotating rotor cause the fiber to move from the rotor wall toward the rotor groove and be collected there to form a fiber ring. Moving to the next slide, please. Yarn formation. When a spun and emerges from the row of notches into the rotor, it receives twists from the of the rotor outside the nozzle, which then continues in the yarn into the interior of the rotor. The yarn ends rotates around its axis and continuously twists in the fiber deposit in the rotor groove, assisted by the nozzle, which acts as a twist retaining element. Yarn takeoff or winding. The yarn in the continuously taken off by the delivery shaft and the pressure roller through the nozzle and the draw up and on cross on pack. The next slide. Now I will discuss about advantage of Spania. The first advantage is high productivity, then the now of labor required, power consumption, package space, less cost, less flow space required, less material cost, less wastage, hairiness of yarn, impre- less imperfection of yarn, better yarn quality, simplex winding process are omit higher efficiency. Thank you. Now, met Shamim presentation. Next slide.
Thank you, Aslam Monir, for your nice presentation. Myself, Muhammad Ali, ID April 27. Now I am discuss about the limitation of rotor spun yarn, which are limited count range only 5 to 40 English count. Only coarser yarn can be spun, less yarn strength, 30 to 35% less strength than ring spun yarn, and 20% more twist required than ring spun yarn. And the last one is the initial cost is high. And now I discuss about the end uses of rotor spun yarn, and which are used in dress materials, denim and jeans, leisure wear, industrial wear, interlining, towels, furnishing, and work needs. So this is all about our presentation. Thank you, everyone.